slow Chinese cabinets make very good media units, so you can put a television above them with the media boxes inside. This one's been lacquered in a lovely soft grey, sort of greeny grey. The carved detail at each end of this typical Oriental altar cabinet is very pretty here, and that's on each end as well as along the bottom of the cabinet, so you've got a nice apron at the front with some gentle carved detail, as is around the two drawers. So what you get with this cabinet is a central double cupboard with a shelf that's removable, and the doors close with magnets. The two drawers each have matching solid brass tab handles, same as on the cupboard doors, and then there are little cupboards at each end where you could put media storage, accessories, boxes, and small items for a living room or a bathroom or a hallway, and it might even fit under a bay window.